guys, what's going on? We are here to give you guys a little bit of a tutorial on how to help improve your squat at home. Um, Amy has several clients that squat with her regularly, as do I, but they some beginners are coming in and some people that have some experience, and I'm just going to give you some stuff to kind of give you some stuff to work on that you can play around with it at the house. I'll let you start. Go ahead.
All right, so I had a client today was under the bar, and she wasn't really able to like get all the way down. And when we say all the way down, all right, so I'm going to turn sideways. Hopefully this is good enough. When we say all the way down, we can't really have you here hovering here when you're squatting. So the way I'm going to bring her off the bar. I'm going to keep her under the bar, but I'm going to bring her off the bar, and I'm going to have her do some homework at home. And we're going to give her this box next time that she comes in, specifically this for her. So if you have something like this at home, this would be perfect for you to try to get down there with. So you're trying to get down to here. So go ahead. You want to tell them?
So ideally, I mean, and even for Amy's levers, this isn't really 100% because what you really want to do is you want to try to get your knee joint in line with your hip joint. So actually for Amy, she'd probably really want to be a little bit lower. This would maybe be the absolute bare minimum that I would accept to being like what I would say is like, okay, you did a squat. You really want to have this joint and this joint kind of be in a line with each other. A lot of people struggle with their range and they struggle with ankle mobility or hip mobility, and they have to find the right stance. Sometimes they actually have to work on their ankles in order to really get